Welcome to a delightful culinary journey that will transform your weekend mornings. Let's start by reinventing classic breakfast dishes with a gourmet twist. Imagine fluffy buttermilk pancakes adorned with unique fruit compotes. Now, let's elevate our dishes with the art of food presentation. With the right techniques, your dishes can transform into works of art. Next, let's uncover the secrets of crafting delectable pastries at home. With these skills, you can produce mouth-watering baked goods right in your own kitchen. Now, let's strike the perfect balance between savory and sweet elements in our brunch menu. Creating harmonious pairings ensures every palate is catered to. Let's not forget about beverages. Elevate your brunch with handcrafted coffee blends and refreshing mocktails. Discover the art of creating beverages that complement your brunch dishes seamlessly. Finally, embrace stress-free hosting with our effortless tips. With organization tips, make-ahead dishes, and time-saving techniques, you can savor the moment and enjoy your own brunch creation. Join us on this culinary adventure and make your weekend brunches truly exceptional.